Hi, in this video we are going to see how to generate the e-invoice from Manage EC application. And also, if your turnover is more than 100 crore, then this config should be enabled for the e-invoice generation. There are two types of e-invoice upload process. One is review and upload, second one is direct upload process. Let's see how to do the review and upload process. For that, you need to enable the configuration to generate e-invoice. Go to search box and type options. Once the option screen open, you have to type e-invoice in the search box and give enter. Select the GST e-invoice generation. Enable the configuration using spacebar and click on save. Once that is saved, you need to make a new sales bill. Once the bill is saved, you need to open your GST filing application. Select GST filing. And here you can see the new menu added as e-invoice, and also if you click on more, you can see the connect to e-invoice portal. If you click on it, it will direct you to the e-invoice portal. With your login credentials, you can log in and upload your e-invoice. Generate the IRN for the saved invoice. Under pending, you need to select the invoice and click on generate IRN and click on push to IRP. You can see the message invoice successfully saved. Then you can go to the completed state and see the IRN number generated for that invoice. If you click on invoice number, you can also see the item details. To check the failed uploads, you need to go to the failed tab and click on the reason. Once you rectify this in your invoice, then you can select the invoice and click on generate IRN and push to IRP. Then it will be moved to the completed state and IRN number also will be generated for that invoice. To auto upload the invoice by saving the sales bill itself, you need to enable this configuration, GST e-invoice auto upload. Once this is enabled and saved, you can able to generate the IRN while saving the bill itself, and it also can be printed in the customer invoice. Then under this completed status, you can able to see the saved invoice and also the IRN number. In some cases, you might not be able to see the checkbox along with the invoices to generate the IRN number. For that, you need to click on the errors and rectify it in the pause. Then if you sync the bill, you can able to generate the IRN. And also we have an option to export the invoice as a JSON format. For that, you need to select the invoice and click on export as JSON and click on download. Then the invoice in the JSON format will be downloaded. Then you can manually upload the JSON to the IRP portal. Thank you for watching this video. If any query, kindly reach us in live chat.